Bring on the summer sliders. These bite-sized sandwiches are perfect for a patio picnic, or I'm going to say a thrown-together summer dinner. One store-bought trick will help your sliders stand out from the rest. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes Bake and Serve joins me to share the recipes. Rhodes frozen dough coming in clutch again.
I know, and you know, when you say recipe, I feel like it's just a really good idea.
Yeah.
I mean, there's like really easy to put together. So the first one I'm going to talk about is this is called the Rhodes slider. We have branded it the Rhodes slider.
I
okay?
love that. Everyone needs a branded recipe.
So this is on our website, and basically it's a mini hamburger. Okay.
Oh, cute.
And so you can use our warm and serve. We've got our artesian rolls. We've got the soft white, and we also have our dinner rolls. And I made a bunch of those. So I like the dinner roll size because it's just a little bit smaller. So this package was just the 36 count. I put them out, I let them rise, bake them, that was it. And I made them into this.
It's such an easy step that really does elevate a simple meal like this. Like you have homemade, fresh from the oven bread. All of a sudden you've got this delicious home half-cooked meal.
Yeah. And I love doing these, and I can pre-cook my hamburger, and I can put them together. I can put them in foil, and we can drop them down in the coals, or I can do them in my oven.
Yeah,
so really easy. And then add the cold garnishes to it. So that's a really easy one there.
The Rhodes slider.
Yeah, Rhodes slider.
I like it.
Okay, then we're gonna go campfire. These are our campfire sliders, and basically what I did with these is, again, you can use any of the variety of the warm and serve rolls, and then you can just put these together. I put them together, I wrapped them in my foil. This one I did with roast beef, and I did some pineapple. I put it together, and I just wrapped it in my foil, and I stuck it in my oven, 400 degrees, and it took 10 minutes.
Roast beef and pineapple.
Is that fun?
That's really
I know, you
fun.
always think ham, but
I just did a little taste in my mouth, and I'm like, yes, that would be delicious. That would be so great and unexpected.
So, and then, you know, you can do the ham and cheese, the provolone, the turkey. I kind of displayed all the different ideas that we have right there. The mozzarella that's on there and the basil leaves are for this caprese. Okay, I'm new to the caprese whole idea, okay? So we did these, I really am.
This is good. Are you enjoying it, this new palette, this new combination?
Yeah, to a point. No, yeah.
You hesitated. You're not a pesto girl.
I'm not a pesto girl.
I read it.
I'm sorry.
I called it. No, people are or they aren't. I think I said on the show yesterday, I made a pesto pasta over the weekend, and I was just falling all over my own creation. And I said, why don't we have this more? And Mark's like, because I don't like it. And I said, well, who asked you? I mean, there's pesto people and there's not.
I know.
That's okay.
But it really does smell amazing.
It's so fresh.
I just took our artesian rolls right there, either the sourdough or the French. You can do either one. I have to say the French, going with the theme, okay? And then you just want to layer it. And so I start with the tomato on the bottom.
Okay.
And then you really want that fresh mozzarella, the one that comes in the ball, not the slices.
The real deal.
The real deal. Okay, and then put that on top. And Brooke, will you grab either right off there or
what am I grabbing?
The basil.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
And then we're just going to take those and we're just going to pull them apart, and you can just put those on top.
Right on.
Now, at this point, doesn't that smell good? Fresh basil. It has to be fresh basil leaves, okay? So you can drizzle if you want the balsamic vinaigrette, and I have that, but don't do it because it's going to go everywhere, because I am not good at controlling this, and I have tried. I'm just being honest.
Get a grip, Heidi.
You have to just do a little, right?
It would be splashy. It would be splashy.
Right?
Yeah.
And so you can do that, or I would have just taken a plate and put some on there and dipped the sandwich, because I would be safe.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Right?
A dipper.
Yeah.
A slider dipper.
I mean, totally up to whoever's doing it.
Since you're new to this combo club, may I throw another idea at you?
Please do.
Replace the tomatoes with peaches.
Are you serious?
Try it. Report back. Let me know what you think.
I will.
Yeah, it's my favorite little summer salad to make.
Really?
In peach
with
season.
Peaches? Do you just slice peaches and just
it's like a salad, like sliced peaches, the mozzarella balls, basil.
I love that.
Little honey or balsamic, whatever.
I love that.
You're welcome.
And so simple.
See,
right?
This is what we're about. Sharing not just recipes, as you said, but ideas.
Really fun ideas.
1, 2, 3, 4 sliders you can make, all from our favorite frozen dough.
Yes, really easy to do. And if you want to watch this in more detail, we've got this up on our Instagram. We're doing each one of them separate, so you can see it there, and we have lots of fun. It's Dutch oven time, right? So we have some really good Dutch oven recipes that are on our website. So if you go to rhodesbakeandserve.com, you can find some of those too.
Yeah, the website, the Instagram, the YouTube also very helpful. So many different ways to use our favorite grocery store staple, Rhodes bread. Thank you so much,
You bet.
Heidi. Happy summer. We'll link you to
Happy
all
summer.
of those from our website, studio5.ksl.com. Get a grip on that balsamic. That's your challenge.
Okay, all right,
And
I'll
try
try.
the peaches. Okay.